In this video, we're gonna show you how to link bank account to eToro. Open the website, then sign in with your username or email and password. Once you are signed in and if your account is new, you will see a deposit button at the middle part of the screen. Then on the lower left side, you will see a deposit funds tab. To link a bank account, you can either click on deposit or deposit funds. Once you click on either of the two, this pop-up window will appear. Here you will see a button that says link bank account. Click on link bank account. A pop-up message will appear informing you that eToro uses played to connect your account. To proceed, click on continue. Now select the bank you wish to link, then enter your bank account's username and password. After that, click on submit. On you need to verify your identity. You can either choose to receive the security code through text or email. In this example, we selected text. Click on the option you wish to select, enter the code, then click on submit. To let it know your primary bank account, click on continue. And now your bank has been linked successfully. That's how you link your bank account in eToro.